Hello, today we're going to take a look at how to manage cameras within QxControl. We will do this by navigating on the left-hand navigation toolbar to the cameras page, and we can also minimize that toolbar. As you can see here, we are in card view, which gives us a larger thumbnail and a little more feedback. We also can choose list view if we would like to get more cameras per page. We can also sort by name, and we can also search. So if we have a particular camera we're looking for and we have a lot of cameras to search through, we can start to type in the name and it will narrow down our selection. So we do have garage door highlighted here, so you can see on the floating action button we have several options available. A very good one here is go to web page. Go to web page allows us to travel through the WireGuard VPN connection from the cloud into the gateway and allows us to log into the camera directly without being on site. This allows us to enable analytics, update firmware, and take other actions without having to go on site. So if we go back to QxControl here, and we can also double click on the door card itself, you can see, of course, we have the ability to rename the door. If we choose the Places button, we can choose where in the scope this camera is actually available. We also have several device settings that are available, as well as image. We can choose which streams we would like to utilize, and we can also use the scripts button to refresh the connection with the gateway. Also here, we do have the option to mix and match retention options for cameras even on the same site. If you use cloud storage option, that is a drop-down box. We can look at all the available subscription options, and we can actually make that change on the fly. So currently we're on QxC0. We could actually change that to QxC30, which would enable 30 days of storage in the cloud.